Good morning students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Today we are going to continue 4th chapter of class 11th Business Studies. The name of chapter is Business Services. In my previous lecture we have discussed about business services, social services, personal services, banking, what is insurance, principles regarding insurance and lots more things. Today I have decided to go for a comparison between insurance and assurance. So as you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have already mentioned a difference between insurance and assurance. So let's start the topic. Generally the term insurance and assurance are considered the same thing, but these two are synonym. There is some difference in their meaning. Assurance refers to a contract in which the sum is assured is bound to be paid sooner or later. Whereas in case of insurance, the sum assured is paid only when insured suffers a peculiar or particular loss on the happening of certain events. Now, how will you define insurance? Insurance is a device for transferring of risk of individual to an insurer who agrees for a consideration which is popularly called as insurance premium or insurable interest to assume to a specific extent losses suffered by the insured. There are basically 7 principles of insurance: principle of utmost good faith, principle of insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principle of contribution, principle of subrogation, principle of causa proxima, principle of mitigation of loss. Now moving to the topic, that is, what is the difference between insurance and assurance. First, in contract of insurance, the insured must suffer a damage or loss if he or she want to get a compensation or get a claim. On other hand, assurance, in a contract of assurance, the sum assured is bound to be paid whether insured suffers a loss or not. Second difference, the term insurance is used when risk is uncertain. It might be happen or might not be happen. So it is uncertain or unpredictable. Now talking to assurance, the term assurance is used when the risk is certain or decided and it is bound to be happen. It cannot be uncertain. There is complete certainty in case of assurance. Now the third point, in insurance, the compensation or the loss is paid only on happening of an event. That is, here the principle of indemnity comes. According to this principle, insurance is not a contract of making profit. The purpose of insurance is to bring the insured in the same financial position as he was before the loss, and loss will be only paid if he suffers from the loss. Compensation is only paid when he suffers from the loss. So it is the promise from the insurance company to pay only on the happening of certain events or when he bears any loss. Now assurance. In assurance, the compensation is paid whether the event happens or not. You have to pay the certain assured amount whether it happens or not. For understanding both these concepts, we should go for suitable example. For insurance, fire insurance and marine insurance are the best example. If you get lost by fire, the fire insurance will pay you the compensation. And talking about the assurance, one of the best example to study assurance is that life insurance, because death is will happen and it will not escape. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.